Good morning. It's about 5:45 in the morning. Moon's still high. Woo. Hello. Today I'm at a place called Buxor Marshes. It's Saturday morning. This is the 6th day. I've been up at 4:30 in the morning, and I'm here to do breeding wader surveys out on the marshes. So not many people are going to be up at this hour in the morning, but it's, I think, going to be a beautiful day. So I thought you might like to see some of the work that I'm doing out here. Okay, so it's beautiful, but it's also jolly chilly out here at this time of the morning. So I'm going to start my day with a cup of coffee before I begin work. So today I'm going to walk around the marshes. I have to be here so early because that's when the birds are most active, and I'm particularly counting lapwing, red shank, oyster catchers and curlew and snipe, but they're probably not going to be breeding here. And I look for other birds as well, yellow wagtails, linnets, corn buntings, reed buntings. We're particularly looking to see if the farmland that gets high level stewardship funding is producing lapwing chicks, which sounds a bit economic, but in some ways it is. They get money to manage the land for some of these wading birds whose numbers are going down, and I go out and see if lapwings and the other birds are breeding on this land, and if the land is in good condition for them. And if it isn't, then or if it could just do with a bit of improvement, I go out and I advise the farmers on managing their land to get better results. Okay, so this might look like a terribly boring flat field view, but this is what I want to see in a field that's for breeding waders. You want to see short grass with a few tufts, possibly a few more tufts than this, and water standing on the land. And so this is what you want to be seeing in April. You see this in April, and you get a sky full of birds. I don't know if you can see that, that's a curlew going overhead. Just had a couple of red shank take off, and you get this. I'm going to take my sunglasses off so I can fire for you. Oh. You get that? A lapwing. Sorry, I can use these things to catch on camera because they move pretty fast. So, of these in this field. I've obviously got this fantastic call at this time of year. Frankly, who wouldn't want to see that in the spring in their field? So these are birds that are really not doing very well in this country, because a lot of land's been drained, or lots of reasons to be honest, but lots of land's been drained, and lots of land's, so not looking like this, these pools of water on the land in April, and that's what the birds need, because if it's soft enough, then they can feed in the soft mud, and if the grass is short like this, then they can see any predators that approach him, and they're pretty good as a pair at driving off predators. So I'm walking here they are, my assistants. Ideally they should be cows, but actually they're doing a very good job. Well done, chaps and chapettes. Well done. Good job. Short grass, bits of wet. That's all we like. That's all we like. Well done. Okay, it's about 9 o'clock. I've finished for the morning now. That was a really good sight. There's probably about 25 pairs of lapwing breeding out there at least, and probably about 10 pairs of redshank, some ringed plovers, which is a bonus. You don't expect to get those, quite a few oyster catchers as well. So that's a really good sight. That's a farmer who's doing a good job. So it's time for my second breakfast, and a beautiful view of the North Kent marshes from a place that most people don't get to see. There's talk about putting a walkway all around these marshes, and although I know I'm privileged, I'm allowed out here, most people aren't, that wouldn't be a good thing. You know, too many people, too many dog walkers coming along this seawall would mean less birds able to breed on this land. People have got plenty of places to walk. The birds don't have plenty of good places to breed, so I am on the side of the birds with this one. But here we are. This is a beautiful part of the estuary, Medway estuary from Buxall Marshes.